This brand is made in Italy by Olympia Splendid and is backed by a very good warranty. The units are different in the fact that the air for the units is supplied from the outside with ducts, which makes for a much nicer look on the outside of the building. The units are Wi-Fi enabled for control through their mobile app, and they are very quiet while operating. The Maestro Pro 12 model has a state-of-the-art inverter compressor but is only available in one size. The Maestro Smart 9 model features electrostatic and activated carbon air filters for cleaning the air, but they only have a 9,000 BTU capacity. The units use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.